So what's up everybody? Welcome to Deta. So in the previous video, I told you guys that I will show you how to compress any types of file in WinRAR, how to zip or unzip any types of decompressed any file. So I'm going to show you in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I have opened my file directory. This is folder. Here you can see the folder name content. Just after opening, you can see some folders here. Click new old, and I want to compress them into one. Just compress them into one thing, just like zip file or any types of RAR file. It will compress into one. So and then you have to select all the folder what you want to compress. Just select all the folder and right button on the mouse, and then you have to click on add to archive. Click on it, and then you will see the archiver file name. You can rename it. So I'm going to rename it to my content, just like my content. And then I want to make the archiver file format into zip. So click on zip. Zip format is the compressed file. You can also select RAR file and then click on OK. So you can see the files here. My content zipped file. This is a zipped file. When you open it, you will see all three folder you have just compressed. So you can see the option. You can see the folder here. Click new old. So this is it. So this is how you can compress folders into one. So and also, if you want to unzip or decompress or extract the file or extract the zip file, just click on right button on the mouse and then click on extract files, and then click on OK. So you can see the my content folder is here. This is an unzipped file. When you open it, you will see the three folder. So this is how you can decompress any zip file or extract any zip file. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.